Hey parents, my video cut out at the very end, so make sure they at least get to problem 18 on that last page. Thank you. Go to this first problem. It says start at 9. How can you count on to add? Problem 1, add 1. So our job is to scoop up this bigger number, 9, and then just add on one more. So 9, 10. And that is why we see a 10 right here. We just added one more. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. I scooped up my 9, 9, 10. So I'm going to put a 10 here. If I write in my book, I want you to be writing in your book. Okay. So this next one says we need to add 2. So we're going to start with the number 9 again. We scoop up the 9 and we add 2 more. 9, 10, 11. That is why we see a 10 and 11. 9 plus 2 more, 10, 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. This next one, I'm going to be calling on somebody to help me to solve this part right here. So Liam, we're starting with 9. We're going to scoop up 9 and add 3 more. So scoop up 9, Liam, and I want to hear you count on the next 3 numbers. Awesome job. I heard 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is 9 plus 3, Liam? 12. So in your book, you should write 12. All right? We're starting with that bigger number, and then we scoop it up, and we just keep counting on. All right, if you just logged on, I want you to check and make sure that you are on the right page. If you missed the beginning of the page, you will have to go back and watch the video because we started it right on time so that we could make sure we had time to do anything extra or ask any questions or do any Go Noodles. So we are on the next page now. This is page 138. Make sure you see that. Right down here. All right, I'm going to need some help with this one. You can count on to add 1, 2, or 3. Start with the greater addend. So if we are given 2 different numbers, you're going to scoop up the bigger one and then add on. So right here, we're starting with the number 5. It's okay if they write the smaller number in front because remember we can do that flip-flop. The number in that order, it doesn't matter, but you're going to want to find the bigger one. So between 3 and 5, 5 is bigger. So we want to scoop up the 5 and then add 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is why they put an 8 right here. We can go ahead and fill in these numbers here, the ones that are dotted. It's just telling you that we're adding 1, 2, 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and fill that in. All right, Kieran, this next one is for you, so make sure you're ready. Kieran, we're going to circle the greater addend, and then we're going to draw the boxes in to count on either 1, 2, or 3. So we have this equation here, Kieran. It says 2 plus 6. We want to circle the bigger addend. Which one is bigger, 2 or 6? 6. So we're going to circle the 6. And now all that we need to add on is 2 more. So scoop up the 6, and then we're going to count 2 more with me, okay? Ready? 6, Go ahead and say it. 6, and then add 2 more. 7, 8. So that is why they have an 8 here. We added 2 more. So we have 6, 7, 8. If you just logged on, I want you to make sure you're on the same page as me, 138, and then you'll have to go back and watch this video when I upload it later to do the other page that we did already. Okay, we scooped up the bigger number 6, then we added 2 more. It's a lot easier to add on just 2 more. If we scooped up the 2, we would have to count on 6 more. So it's easier to scoop up the bigger number and then just add 2 more. That's why we do that. Okay, Sophia. Sophia, we have 6 plus 3. We're gonna start with the bigger number, so which number do I circle?
6.
6. How many are we adding on?
3.
3 more. So let's draw our 3 boxes. So in your book, I want you to draw your 3 boxes.
There we go.
Okay? So now, Sophia, you're going to scoop up 6 and add 3 more. I want to hear you say it.
7, 8, 9.
Awesome job. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 6 plus 3, Sophia?
6 plus 3, 9.
9. So in your book, make sure you are doing this with us. Zayden, you are next. Give you guys about 10 seconds to make sure you have all of this in here. All right. Zayden, we have 1 plus 6. Which number is greater?
Wait, what?
We have 1 plus 6.
Okay.
Which number is greater?
Like bigger?
Yep. Greater means larger.
6.
6. So we circle the 6. That's what we're scooping. And what are we adding on?
1.
Just 1. So we draw our 1 box. So when we count on, we say 6. And then we add 1 more.
7.
Good job. 7. 7 equals 1 plus 6. All right. Keela, is that you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
No.
Oh, I see you, Keela. Somebody on here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I have you fix that? And then I'll call on you when I see it's your name. Xander, do you have a question or are you ready to help out?
I have a question.
Okay.
Why do we skip the 9 one with the book?
Which one?
The 9 one? Like this?
We already did that page, Xander.
Oh,
So you'll have to go back and watch this video because we already did that part.
okay. I'll be ready to help out.
Okay. All right. So we're on number 4. Do you see that, Xander?
Yeah.
Okay. What number are we going to start with? 7 or 1?
1.
We want to start with the bigger number because if we scoop a bigger number, it's easier to count on just 1 more instead of scooping a 1 and counting on 7.
Okay.
So let's start with the 7. So circle the 7.
Okay.
All right. And then we're just going to add 1 more. So go ahead and scoop and then count on 1 more.
What does scoop look like?
So we would go like this. 7, and then add 1 more. 8. Can you show me?
They're on a video for that. 7 plus
Good job. So we scooped up the 7 and we just say 7, 8. So what is 7 plus 1, Xander?
7 plus 1 equals 8.
Good job. All right. This next one is for, hey Mason, can I have you go to Miss Cheatham's link on the green schedule? Samantha, this next one is for you. We're on number 5 with this pink box here. So, Samantha, we have 2 plus 7. We want to start with that bigger number because it's easier to just add 2 more instead of starting with the 2 and adding 7 more. So we want to scoop up the bigger number. Which one do I circle, 2 or 7? Samantha, can you hear me? Okay, Samantha, I'm going to come back to you. Mario, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Mario, are you on the same page as me, 138?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, we want to scoop the bigger number, so do we scoop the 2 or the 7?
The 7.
7. And then how many are we adding on?
2.
Just 2 more. So go ahead, I want to hear you scoop up 7 and then add 2 more.
Count it.
Do you want me to show you what that looks like?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do it and then I want you to do it. Ready? 7, 8, 9. Your turn.
9.
Good job. So scoop the 7. Say 7, 8, 9.
9.
Good job. So what is 2 plus 7?
9.
Good job. Trick question. Are you ready for this? This is a bonus question. If I wrote 7 plus 2, Mario, what would my answer be now?
Still a 9.
Still a 9. Can you tell us why?
Because you flip-flopped them.
Yes, good job. The order here, it doesn't matter because we are adding the same numbers. We're just adding them in a different order. Excellent job. That was great, Mario. Thank you. All right, Keela, are you ready? Problem 6.
Yes.
Okay. 7 plus 3. What do we scoop up?
7.
7. What are we adding on?
3.
Good job. I want to hear you scoop it up and add 3 more. So say 7.
7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. What is 7 plus 3?
10.
10. Good job. All right. First graders, we have one more page. Okay? This is page 139. I want you to see how much work is on there. I'm going to need your help. Page 139, there's a lizard on a surfboard on that page. Do you see it? Okay, Aaron, I'm going to be calling on you to do this next one. This says, circle the greater addend, so the greater number that we're adding together, and then count on to find the sum. So, each of these problems, we're going to be circling that number that's bigger, and then the number we didn't circle is the number we're counting on. So, I'm going to do this first one. Aaron, you're going to do number 8. So, watch what I do. 1 plus 9. Okay, 9 is greater. Circled the 9. Now I'm going to scoop it up and add 1 more. 9, 10. All right, Aaron, which one do I circle?
8.
8. And then I want you to count 3 more. So say 8, 9. We're adding 3 more now. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Can you do that?
Miss Pretty.
Jose, I need you to wait, please, okay? You're next. All right, Aaron. Go ahead and say it with me. 8, 9, 10, 11.
9 and 11.
Did you see that we added those 3? 8, 9, 10, 11. So, Aaron, what is 8 plus 3?
11.
Good job. Hey, Jose. Jose, are you on the same page as me? 139?
Yes, but I'm on the black one, and I barely got in because we're dropping off my sister.
Okay. Okay. All right, Jose, you are going to circle the greater number. Which one is greater, 1 or 8? Greater means bigger.
8.
8. So go ahead and scoop it up and say 8.
8.
And we're adding 1 more. So we go 8 plus 1 more.
9.
Nice job. All right, Alakai, you are here. Do you see it? Okay, Alakai, which one do we circle, 1 or 6? Good job. So when we scoop it up, we say 6, we hold it on, and now we add 1 more. So show me what you do. I want to hear you say it. Good job. So it sounds like this. Ready? I'm scooping the 6 and adding 1 more. 6, 7. Can you do it? Okay. 6, 7. Good job. All right. Going back to the beginning of my list, Xander. Which one do I circle?
9.
Okay, now let me hear you count on 3 more.
10, 11, 12.
Nice job. He said 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Kieran, 7 or 2? Nice job. Okay, oops. 7. I need to count on how many more? 2 more. So let me hear you do it. 7, 2, 7. What's the next number? 8. What's after 8? 9. Nice job. We did 2 more numbers. 7, 8, 9. So boys and girls, we need to be able to make sure that we know how to count on in order from any number to make, that's how we're going to be able to do these. So I'm gonna do a little quiz right now, okay? Liam, I want you to start at the number 9 and add 3 more numbers. So
9,
yep.
10, 11.
9, 10, 11,
12.
12. So watch how I do this, boys and girls. I can count on from any number, and I can show you a video that talks about that, but it would be like this. I'm going to start at 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll start at the number 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. See how I can just keep going on? I don't always have to start at 1 or 0. Start at the number 30. 31, 32, 33. Start at the number 17, 18, 19, 20. So whatever we're adding on the extra, you just scoop up that last number that we said and then keep counting on. All right, Sophia. What number do we circle?
6,
Good job. Count on 2 more.
7, 8.
Perfect. She said 6, 7, 8.
6.
Nice job. All right, Zayden. Which one do we circle?
5.
Yep. Okay, count 3 more.
8.
Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Mario. Which one do we circle?
The 7.
Good job. How many more do we add on?
1.
1 more. So say it. 7.
7. 8.
Nice job. Samantha. Can you hear me, Samantha?